Here's how to set alerts on Robinhood. So you can set alerts for different parameters on different stock. So I'm going to go to the Apple stock for an example's sake. And inside of here, you're going to see a little bell icon. We click on that and we can set up custom alerts. And so we can set up price alerts, basically when it moves above or below the custom price target that we set, or indicator alerts. They're more technical indicators. You can get notified when they move, so you can add one or other of these alerts. On the price alerts, for instance, you would just go to add alert, and you can set this custom price alert. Like if the price moves above a target price, let's say $250 per share, then I will get alerted when Apple stock goes above that price. Same thing with if it moves below. Maybe you just want to know when it hits 180 because that's when you're going to buy. We can set that up here. And then you can save that alert. So I'm going to say price moves above $250 and then click save. And now I have that price alert set. And so the Apple custom alerts I have set, if the price moves above this, I have it turned on. I can edit that alert if I want to, or I can add even more alerts. If the price moves above or if the price moves below, I can have both those alerts set up and I'll get a custom push notification for that. That's how you can set up alerts on Robinhood.